Mom Easy Baby Biodegradable and Compostable Diaper by Mom Easy is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. 100% compostable and biodegradable, highest rated ASTM 6400 biodegradable cornstarch product certified, also meets strict European Vincaton 13432 standards. 200 counts diaper sacks, 4 travel packs, 50 counts pack, 8 by 15 inches, extra large size, easy to tie and carry, value pack. Tie close handles are easy to use. The bags all have tie close handles so that handling is quick and easy. 100% eco-friendly, made from cornstarch bio-based material, break down and decompose to carbon dioxide in water in just 90-180 days. You can use bags for not only diapers but puppy pads, food scraps, travel diaper bags, handbags, car doors and pockets, scooping dog poop,